It's a bad man thing.
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Wasteland, and I am coming to you with a little bit of a different video today. So this is basically going to be a watercolor fail. Yes, so if you are interested in seeing how I got to this point with this color, go ahead and keep watching. So for this video today, I'm actually using some hair by Hairinbeauty. They did send me their body wave frontal wig. I do have it in 16 inches, 180% density. So of course I did start off by bleaching the knots, and lately I've been using the Salon Care 30 developer with the Clairol Basic White 2. And please do not mind Bonquisha. She has been through some things. After I bleached the knots, I did go ahead and follow up with the 40 developer with the Basic White 2 to bleach the rest of this hair. The hair actually took to the bleach really quickly. This was my first time actually bleaching the whole entire unit. So definitely caution with this. You do want to move fast. I really didn't want to over process this, so I didn't let it sit too long. So I did start off with using this Color Jams temporary hair color. I believe it's by BTZ. I do believe this is a Sally's brand. So when I started with this, I did use one bottle of the Purple Passion, and I did notice that the water and this hair dye did start to separate. Now unfortunately my phone did stop recording at the time that I began the watercolor, but this is the after and this is the results that I got. So as you can see, there are some purple areas, there's some kind of pink areas. It was just a hot mess. So I did decide to go in with the Adore Paprika and a little bit of the cinnamon, and this is the result. Pretty pleased with the outcome. I think there are some things that I will definitely change in the future. I would definitely love to do this color again, and I think I'm just gonna go all the way in. But I will definitely give this another try because I really love this color. I was originally going for a more orange tone, but I'm actually really glad that I took the red route. I told you guys I'm definitely taking some leaps, jumping out of my comfort zone, taking some big risks on this channel, and I think overall there are some things that I will do again, and there are some things that I won't do again. The hair has held up pretty good with the watercolor even after applying it directly on the hair. I'm getting a couple of kinks here and there, but the hair is actually still well moisturized. It's not dried out, doesn't feel fried. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Let me know what you think down below if you've tried the watercolor method before. Let me know your outcome. But yeah, girl, I will definitely be revisiting the watercolor method again. So stay tuned for that. And I must say this, even though the watercolor method looks really easy on YouTube, it looks easy when other people do it, this was actually really hard for me. This took some work, it took some patience, and it took a lot of mistakes along the way, but I'm glad I made those mistakes because now I know what not to do. First, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you share the video with your family and friends. Wear it with confidence, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.